Hi, this is Soga and welcome back to the channel. This video is about how to make simple Irish crochet leaf for beginners. This is beautiful and you can afford it with yourself. So let's start together. Start with a slip knot, then chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Insert your hook into the first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1, then make 18 single crochets in this ring. 1, 2, keep going. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yarn over once. In the third chain, 1, 2, 3, make a double crochet. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yarn over twice. In the fourth stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a triple crochet. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the third chain, yarn over 4 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. In the third stitch, 1, 2, 3. Pull off loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yarn over 4 times, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. Then in the same stitch, insert your hook in the same stitch and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the third chain, make a triple crochet. Yarn over twice. In the third chain, 1, 2, 3. And pull up loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a double crochet in the fourth stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a slip stitch in first chain. Chain 1, make 6 single crochets in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last time in this stitch, 7. Make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet in this stitch. Make 7 single crochets in next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a single crochet in this stitch. Make 12 single crochet in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Make a single crochet in this stitch. Make 7 single crochet, make 7 single crochets in next space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make a single crochet in this stitch. Make 5 single crochets in next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet in this stitch. Make 5 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a single crochet in this stitch. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, make 4 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4. Make a half double crochet in next stitch. Make 15 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Make a half double crochet, make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 2 single crochets in same stitch and repeat. Make 2 single crochets in same stitch. Make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a half double crochet, make 14 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Make a half double crochet, make 5 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 1, make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 1, keep going. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert your hook into the second chain and make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in each chain. Make a slip stitch and then cut the yarn off. My Irish crochet leaf is ready. I hope you like it. If the video was useful to you, please subscribe and like for more video tutorials. See you later.